Well, that's a fine way to treat China's finest.
What's your problem? All I asked for was a girl who worshipped the third of walk on.
I only asked for someone who can cook for me morning, noon, and night.
I just wanted a girl who likes to laugh.
And thinks I'm a god.
Perhaps we weren't specific enough.
Oh, forget that dragon lady. The only one who can find girls worthy of us is us. Well, I don't need her to be all smart and snooty.
I got a playground here and it seems like a cool booty.
We have everything we dream we find when we came back from war.
Yeah,
Everything but the girl we're fighting for.
Hey, suck in your butt. There's a girl we're fighting for.
And I think she wants us to come over. My girl will laugh at all my jokes, but tell it to me straight.
When I get sick.
And let me pick off of her plate. If Lynn can find a girl who likes his chopstick nose trick.
We better really just propose quick.
Will we have to say please stop today? I'm cranky.
I'll just spend my life with you.
And there's no one there to steal my
Twirl around the floor.
Wish I had a girl
fighting for.
I would be true.
A girl we're fighting
I make the
for. A
object.
girl we're fighting for. I'd even kiss you for a girl.
Four.
If you three aren't too busy disturbing the peace, join me.
She sang too naturally.
I'll be leaving to hide a few broken hearts, but count me in.
When do we start, General?
Tonight.